Alright, sports card unboxing number 78-ish, give or take. You know, double Joe Burrow, 2021, Donruss Holo Gold, holographic gold. I'm gonna sell the mask one, because who wants to remember that trash? And all the cucks who played along. Another Scotty Barnes. This one's a fireworks. Panini Prism fireworks. Couple bonus cards I can keep to give my son this winter when he plays basketball. I guess I'm gonna be buying some basketball cards soon too. Drew Brees Upper Deck Vintage Rookies 2001. Got that around $10, pretty good deal. Last but not least, O'Neal Cruz 2022, I think. Yeah. Topps Gallery Museum Collection or something like that. Yeah. Worth a little bit for 2022. All right, that's it.